Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Trochet to kind of explain to you how to do this Criterion D Google form. I want to walk you through a step-by-step process. The first thing is day 1 and day 2, which is going to be May 14th and May 21st. We're going to be making sure that we can open the Google form. It says Google form below. The Google form is going to be right here. Click the Google form here. Let me go ahead and delete that. Oops, my mistake. Click the Google form here to make a copy and paste your Google form in the comment section under your video in the stream from Criterion C, Trash or Treasure. Next, comment on everyone's video using the link. So here, I already made the Google form link. I tried to put it into the drive down below here, but it didn't work. So I have to do it this way. We're going to go ahead and click this link here. And what will come up is we'll make a copy of this survey, student feedback, and all that stuff. So what you do is you're going to go ahead and make a copy. Actually, I'm going to do incognito to show you kind of how it would be done. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to go incognito to show you how it can work for anyone. And then it's going to ask me to sign in. So obviously, I'd use my email. I'm just going to go ahead and use my personal email in this sense. And then that's going to be next. And so what happens is it asks me to make a copy. I go ahead and click make a copy. And now this survey is already done for me. It's telling me, okay, you got this. You can edit it and all that stuff. So if you want to edit it, you can. I recommend not. It's already done for you. So, hey, easy. Then you want to get the send button. Now, this send button is going to be able to give you a link. And you can shorten the link here so it's nice and short. But make sure you check the settings. Do you want to collect emails? You don't need to. Requires a sign-in if you limit to one response. I think students are only going to do one response, but if you want to click that, that's fine. It's going to require a sign-in. You can edit submit after submit. I wouldn't do that. But anyways, that's pretty much it. It looks like the settings are decent enough. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And what's going to happen is, you know what? I'm just going to do this just for fun. I'll just save it because I don't want people to get skewed results, but everyone should just click on the link once. So I'll save that, make sure everyone signs in. We're going to send, and I'm going to shorten this link, and I'm going to copy this link. So once I copy this link, I'm going to go ahead and because all my changes are in the drive, so it's all this information is in the drive. So I'm going to go ahead and just minimize that. I'm going to go to altitude and the stream, and you're going to look for the gallery. And we're going to look for Criterion C. So let's keep scrolling. And let's pretend I am a student. That's already did it. So, okay, so we have Grant is first. So what you're going to do is go into the comment section. This is Grant's video. I'm sure it's fantastic. I can't wait. You are going to paste this right here. And I'm going to click post. And you are going to click it on your video. So if you don't have a video, you need to make one. Make that as soon as possible so that next Friday you can post it and then we can start doing surveys. So you're going to post this on your video and we're going to see the video. And once you click the form here, it's going to give you a survey. And so you need to make sure you answer all of these following things. All right. So functionality, I understand what the purpose of the design was. If you don't understand it at all, you're going to do a 1. If you do understand it, you're like completely, you're going to do a 5. If you somewhat do, somewhat don't, you're going to go 2, 3, 4. I believe this design solution functions well as intended by the creator. So whatever the creator wanted to do with this design or the solution to this problem or whatnot, it worked exactly how it should. And that's the functionality. So that's a 5. And if it's like, well, you wanted to create a mirror and you got like a box, like that's a 1, right? Aesthetic, does it look good? Is it well made? Does it look clean, like a finished product? Was it just pieced together? Was it like a cup and some writing on it and that's my design? It's like, if that's the case, it's a 1. Building materials, we want to make sure we use recyclables, trash, or reusable materials. If they bought some things, if they bought like, if it looks kind of like something purchased, we want to give that a lower score because we're supposed to use things that are completely from scratch or already used items. Durability, is it durable? Like, for example, this is used for a cup. Now, is this durable? It's somewhat durable. If I use this 5 or 6 times, it's probably going to kind of get soft and then make a hole in it. But, if it's something like, a cup like this, right? This is very durable. You can drop it. It's reliable. And it needs to be used over and over again from its original purpose. So again, a paper cup, you can be used over and over again. That'd be probably like a 3 or a 4, but steel would obviously be a 5. And then overall, I believe this project was completed to its max potential. Could it have been better? Can you think of any way that it could be improved? If not, then it's to its max potential. 4 would probably be a normal response, but if it was just done not very well, then you'd probably put 1. And lastly, what was their best parts? Was it their functionality, the aesthetics, the building material, or the durability? What was their best part about their product, and give a specific response? And then what could be improved? What was something that should be like the most improved? I would say if you put a 1 somewhere here, I would put that down and explain why. And then you're going to press submit, and that's going to be it. So this is what you're going to be doing in terms of Criterion D for this survey. I'm going to go ahead and delete this comment now. Sorry, Grant. Maybe next time. And then that's pretty much what it's going to be. So everyone should have a copy. So when you make a copy of it, that should be your copy, and then that's your link, and you post it on your video. And we're going to try this out. We're going to try something new. So that's pretty much it. Let's go back to the altitude card. Let's close out. So let's go back to our course number, design to trash to treasure. All right. So then we have, so that's what you're going to do day 1. And day 2, you're going to be answering all these surveys. You're going to try to answer as many surveys as possible in class. Want to make sure you do them. And then day 3, you're going to answer these questions below, and these are your strands. These are all individual. This is what you are saying. So you created a solution. How did you collect your data? Well, obviously, we're doing a Google survey, stuff like that. It should be pretty straightforward. Excuse me. And this is going to be it. So congratulations. We completed the design. You completed your product, your solution, your project, all that thing. If you have any questions, please visit me at office hours or come see me after class. All right. Have a great day, everybody.